Okay, get ready with me for bed. I'm literally just going to do hair, then just like one product because I don't want to like unpack like my bag. And this was just like, I just got this today, so it was like at the very top. But like, oh my, holy crap, that just fell by itself. I don't trust this hotel. Well, anyways, I don't want to unpack my stuff, so that's why I'm only using one product in my hair. So yeah, let's get to it. Okay. I need to throw this like box away. I was in the car when you opened this, so that's why I didn't throw it away. Okay. Didn't make it. I'll pick it up later. But anyways, like, let's get ready. Okay. I love the flower. This lace. Okay. So I'm just gonna, sorry, someone texted me. But anyways, I'm just gonna if you hear like banging, like, I don't know, like they're having like a party downstairs. Like there's like everyone keeps screaming. See, like there's banging, then like, and also it's thundering outside. So it's probably not like thundering bad, but like it's like raining pretty bad. Like the streets are flooding. Okay. And by the way, I would be doing more products, but like I don't because we're leaving like early in the morning. We're literally just staying one night at this hotel because our flight got canceled. So yeah, that's why I don't want to unpack, because like later in the morning we're literally like leaving. So how do you like my bed? I was going to sleep on the couch because like underneath here is a bed, but like I just want to make it easier, and right here is super comfy. So yeah, sorry if you hear screaming downstairs. Again, they're having a party. Like there's a whole bunch of kids running up and down the escalators, stairs, down the halls. Did you just hear the banging again? I don't know what they're doing, but whatever. And yeah, we went to go have dinner, and we had to pass by. The elevators are so slow because all the kids been running up and down them all day, so it's like it's breaking. So we had to walk past the pool to get to the stairs and to leave. And there's a whole entire like line of kids outside the pool waiting for it to open. Then it finally opened. The kids were screaming and they're crazy. But that's also biting.